Elijah and my friend Emmett. We're here today fighting basically like a canine, but half Chihuahua and pet bull. It is meaner than Travis, fights like a canine.
So,
It's a lab.
yeah, and here's Elijah's stupid sister.
And the first episode of this is Emmett Laswell fighting the dog on the trampoline. So how do you feel today, Emmett?
Horrible.
Yes, it's gonna hurt terrible.
Actually,
Terrible.
we did this video twice,
Yes.
and failed. And Elijah's had to do this twice, so I'm gonna have to do this.
Yeah, it is
It's over
very painful.
Okay, we gotta go get its toy.
No, wait. Come here. Oh, my leg. That hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna go get its toy.
Come here. No, Emmett, come here.
Okay.
Get on the trampoline.
No.
Now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Go.
Elijah, take the camera.
I'll
Take
hold
the camera.
Get up there. Get on up there, Emmett.
I need to tie my shoe first. I'm scared. The shoe tying will be for extra luck. No, get off my shoe.
This dog may seem like a nice dog, but it's actually not. Look at him, ready to fight and go to death.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta put my hood on so it doesn't bite my ears.
Here we go.
Okay, now I'm scared.
Off the trampoline, my sister. Okay, here we go.
Ah!
First round, go. Smack him. Come on, Emmett. Come on. Fight him. Punch him. You gotta punch him.
I quit. One. Tap. Tap out. Tap out. No, no. Don't tap it.
There's no tapping. There's no tapping out on this one. You gotta fight. Just slap him. Slap him. Slap him. Slap him.
Get away. Get away.
Get him. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him. Emmett, don't fall off the trampoline. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Looks like the dog wins on that first round. Yeah. Okay, second round. It's gonna be me, bro. Me and that dog going. Get him. Hey, dog, come on.
Get him, not me. The dog attacked me. Scared the crap out of me. Jumped on my back. I'm scared of that dog. Freaky.
Here I go.
No.
On the leg.